Air Force, I think probably I was in my 6th grade. I was 11-year-old when the first time I saw a blue uniform, someone wearing it. And it struck my mind and my heart that I want to wear this uniform someday.
You were not from a military family like
don't come from a military background. So I have a very much civil and service background. So it was then my friend suggested to watch the movie Top Gun. I think probably that is the breaking moment that it struck my mind that I have to become a fighter pilot. So for me, Air Force was all about flying. And with that determination and with that perseverance, I worked hard, got commissioned in 2020 after completing my BTech degree. And coming to your initial question of gender, I think uniform is a uniform. So we are officers. We are not a man or a woman in a uniform. So, yes.
And yet, I want to ask you, this has been the year of Operation Sindoor, and without discussing anything operational, but more as a conceptual question, somebody like me, I cut my teeth as a young reporter covering the Kargil war, and then now as an older reporter covering Operation Sindoor. But it was a very different war. That was infantry-driven. This was a war in the skies. We saw Pakistan attempting to send in drones and missiles. We saw the black sky light up with orange and explosions. And I just want to ask you, both of you, when you experience this, and war is changing every day, what went through your heart and mind, or did you say this is the moment we've been trained for all our lives, ma'am?
Yes, absolutely. That is what my answer would have been, that this is the moment that we have been trained for. And I feel that I was privileged, or we all were privileged, that we got this opportunity to serve our nation, because I don't think we had that chance in the past. So it was a wonderful experience and a privilege that we could take part and prove our mettle.
What about you, ma'am?
So during Operation Sindoor, I was posted in one of the forward bases at that time. And my family was with me. I have a little one as well, who's 1.5-year-old.
So hold that thought, because ma'am's husband and little baby is somewhere here. Are they here? Can we stand up and see you? They're outside.
When we were entering, he was saying, "Mama, Mama." So probably he must have taken.
So your child is 1.5 years.
Yes, he is 1.5. At that time, he was nearly 1. And as ma'am said, it's a once in a service opportunity that we get to perform what we've been trained for. So it was a routine thing. It was difficult. The times were tough, but we were trained and we were prepared very well for it. And we all know it was a successful operation.